big music.
Alright, hey family, welcome back to my channel. I know it's been a minute, y'all. Please don't beat me up. I know I missed a couple days. I am super excited. If y'all read that title down below, y'all already know what we're here for today. We are decorating the Christmas tree. Finally, and I cannot wait. I did want to check in with y'all real quick before I got started just to show y'all a few things that I got. So let me show y'all real quick. All right, family, so this is the tree. I hope you guys enjoyed us decorating. Please be sure to like, share, comment, subscribe. If there's anything else you think I should add, let me know down below. And I will see each and every one of y'all in my next one. Peace out.